What's up, gangsters? So today, as you see, we're in the car and we are on our way to KNOTTS Berry Farm in Buena Park, California to enjoy some of the holiday festivities. So right now we're like barely leaving, so we have an hour drive. We'll check in with you guys soon. Bye. Well, we're pretty much here. We just came to stop at Porto's to get some stuff because if you know, you know. Porto's is just the best fucking place you could get any type of pastries. It's just so good. And we always have to stop when we come. Is it raining? Is it? Yes. It's starting to sprinkle. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But yeah, so she's making a list of things that we're gonna get, and we're gonna go in right now to go get them. How many let me see if I can do a transition. Sorry.
I have so much anxiety right now.
It's full. It's packed. It doesn't even look that packed on camera, but it's really packed.
Alright guys, made it into the park. It's packed as fuck. There's too many fucking goddamn people here. It's fucking Monday. It don't make no sense. Your turn, babe. Your confession.
Anyways, we're here. But yeah.
The first ride we're thinking of going on is Pony, but the first ride I'm gonna hit is the toilet.
First ride I'm gonna hit is
Boss!
let's go.
Like, can you say it again to the camera? What do you say? He's like, I haven't done nothing.
Look at how cute. Whoa. Look at all the sloths. Damn. Sorry. They have necklaces there we could get for each other. That's awesome. I always wanted to learn how to do this, but I know.
Hey, that looks like, guys, tell me that doesn't look like the nasty patty, the nasty hamburger that they at SpongeBob that they fed to the food inspector.
Oh, and it was like under the thing. Yeah, that's crazy. So right now we're in Fiesta Village. How does it go in the beginning of the... That's my favorite ride, but I will not be getting on it today.
It doesn't seem like a fiesta though.
They say Fiesta Village, but I don't see no Fiesta Village.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Got us eating again.
We came. I can't even talk. All the lines are packed, and I'm tired of. I'm fucking yeah. Can't even talk straight with all these fucking people staring at me. It pissed me off so much.
Anyways, we're at Papas Mexicanas. Dang, that's so crazy how tall that is. Bro, that's crazy.
That's how you zoom in.
Yeah. Oh shit. Crazy as hell. He's all high up. So where are we?
In Tulum. We came to. Is this Ghost Right? No, is this Ghost Town?
Yeah.
We came to Ghost Town, guys, and we're gonna. Sorry. We came to Ghost Town, guys, and we're going on the train right now.
I'm so zoomed in on your face. It was funny. Look at the Christmas tree. Went through work. It's cute.
Whack-a.
It's so cute. We are loading on the train. faking I'm pretending to be happy. I look how short you did it. I wonder where we're going. I'm gonna try to do what. Everything looks so pretty with the lights on.
Yeah, it looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie. We don't know what to do.
Yeah, we don't know what to do. All the lines are really long.
Long as hell.
Yeah.
Like hours.
And honestly, like, we could come here whenever, so we don't want to wait in line. So we're just kind of doing like the old people stuff.
Yeah, walking around, bullshit.
Looking for more food to buy, huh?
Yeah. I'm not full, bro.
Me neither. I think I wasn't full. I was grossed out. Buy me a wine. I'm just kidding. I was like, buy me a wine.
No. I can give you a big ass bottle for that much.
That's true.
I don't want them to hit you.
It's because I kept hitting myself on the walk side. I actually have no clue. I think it's on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's around. I thought he was gonna make it ankle line.
Alright, my guys, I need some cheerleaders for him. We need some encouragement.
I didn't think he was gonna make it. That's dope. That's dope. That was cool as hell. You're all struggling with the bag.
Maybe yes, bag.
Yeah, win me a prize or no?
No, what the fuck? I'd rather buy it for you. I suck at these things.
Yeah, me too. Hey, yo, like, where's the entrance to that ride?
At this point,
It looks like a totally different blue on video, huh?
Yeah.
That's weird.
It's really nice though. That ride is scary as shit. I never been on it, but I never want to go on it.
You nervous?
I'm really nervous.
I don't know why I am. I've been on it before, like I know it's not scary. So I don't know why I'm acting like
I mean, at least I feel secure. I kind of just feel like I'm on a plane.
Okay, we're going uphill right now, heading to the show. Let me turn the camera on. There it is. Let me
Any side for the strollers, you can plug down any side for
You excited, bro?
Yes, I love this. This is like my favorite thing. I wonder if they're gonna be on. Were they on ice skates last time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Exactly.
This is our. Oh shit.
This is our second time seeing this.
Sorry. This is our second time seeing this. Sorry, Mace. I'm gonna miss you.
I know.
We're really sorry. But I'll record it for you.
We love you.
Bye, Mace. We're not gonna see. So we're here to see Kendrick.
I hope they play Sticky. Yeah, let's see those videos.
Yeah.